Garage door opener control board failure can totally mess up your day, but fixing it doesn't have to be a huge headache if you know what to do. Alright, so first off, if your garage door opener acts all wonky, like it's not responding or making weird noises, chances are the control board is toast. You want to start by unplugging the opener and checking for any obvious burns or damage on the control board. Next, grab the model number of your opener because you're going to need to order the exact replacement part online or at a hardware store. When you get the new control board, make sure to snap some pictures of the old one before you yank it out. This makes hooking up the new one way easier. Use a screwdriver to carefully remove the old board and disconnect all the wires. Just keep track of where everything goes. After plugging in the new board, test the opener before putting everything back together. If it works, you're golden. Remember to double check the safety sensors and remote batteries too, just in case they're causing issues. Take your time with this, no rush. Garage door openers can be tricky but manageable when you follow these steps. One of the biggest mistakes people make with garage door opener control board failure is trying to ignore the problem until it gets worse, which can lead to a completely dead opener or even safety hazards. Fix this by addressing issues as soon as you notice them. Another common goof-up is not ordering the right replacement control board. These parts vary a lot depending on your opener brand and model, so always double-check before buying anything. Lastly, wiring mix-ups are super common because those connections look confusing. A simple fix is to take clear photos or label each wire before unplugging anything, so you don't end up with a door that won't move, or worse. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to garage door repairs and more. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to find new customers and grow your business without all the hassle.